Wait, don't scroll. In the next few minutes, this blank page will turn into a beautiful painting. Stay until the end. You might be surprised by the final result. Hi everyone, welcome back to Fatema Art and Craft. Today I will show you how to paint this beautiful scenes step by step. It's easy, relaxing and perfect for beginners. Let's begin with the background using simple colors. Don't worry about making it perfect, just enjoy the process. Now we are adding the main details. A small brush stroke can make a big difference. Watch how the painting slow come to life. This is my favorite part. If we are painting with me, take your time and enjoy every brush stroke. Don't leave yet, the final details completely change the whole painting. And here's the finished artwork. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like the video, subscribe to Fatema Art and Craft, and let me know what you would like to paint next. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.